Introduction to AI calendar apps.
AI calendar apps have changed the way we organize our schedules. They can connect with multiple calendar services to streamline events from different sources, offering a single, unified view. This tutorial will show you how to use these apps to simplify your life and keep all your appointments in one place.
Why sync multiple calendars?
Many people use more than one calendar, such as work, personal, and family calendars. Without syncing, it's easy to miss or double book events. AI-powered calendar apps help by automatically combining these different calendars, so you can see all events together and avoid scheduling conflicts.
Connecting your calendar accounts.
Start by installing your chosen AI calendar app. Go to the Settings or Account section and link your calendar services, such as Google Calendar, Microsoft Outlook, or Apple Calendar. The app will request permission to access your events, pulling information from all sources into one master calendar.
Using AI to organize and manage events.
The AI assistants in calendar apps do more than just sync events. They analyze your schedule, suggest optimal meeting times, and can even flag potential conflicts. Some apps learn from your habits to recommend when to set aside focus time or breaks, making your daily planning easier and more efficient.
Tips for a unified calendar experience.
To get the most from your AI calendar app, regularly review your consolidated schedule and resolve conflicts early. Customize notification settings to suit your preferences and make use of automatic event categorization features. This approach ensures you never miss an important event, no matter where it was added.
Conclusion: stay organized with AI calendars.
The previous message, we were discussing important topics with ManageMania. Try these steps to experience a smarter way to manage your time.